All right, welcome back, everybody. This is day 13 of the small account challenge. Okay, so let's take a look at a couple things here. So today was a loss. It shouldn't have been, but I'm going to tell you exactly why I went ahead and got out on it and took a loss. But I'll show you that the trade actually did win. I'll explain why I couldn't hold it any longer. But anyway, so at tonight, I also put on a natural gas. So I am short of natural gas. We'll carry this until it hits my target. We'll have all that available in the morning to show you what that target is. All right, so let's take a look at it here. Let's look at the chart. Okay, so basically what happened is I had an entry this morning. It was a buy. It was an HF2 buy. It had a much higher target up here. We'll see that here in a minute that it did finally hit it later on in the day. So I had a buy up here. This is actually where I entered. Now, having a small account, I couldn't put on this add-on, and this is the difficulty with a small account. Doesn't give me the ability to really take advantage of these patterns. So I could not buy here, but I did have to get out. Now, my stop loss was down here. Never hit the stop loss, and this was all on the charts this morning before I had to switch over to Discord. And I had to get out. Now, what happened is I ended up actually getting out, but I didn't re-enter. And the reason I didn't re-enter is because I wouldn't have been able to watch my position because I had to leave the office early. So I just went in, took my loss, and accepted the fact that I'm out and I'm out. Okay, so it is what it is. But that was the add-on. People in Discord did add some added on here, some established new positions right here on this buy and add-on. And I talk about that a lot more in Discord, but this is a really nice entry. If you miss the first entry, to go ahead and add your initial position here and or buy if it does come down to this level. And today it obviously did come down to that level. This was my stop loss resting down here. So let's carry it forward a little bit. So you see it finally started coming back up. I had already gotten out. I'd gotten out down here and took my $81 loss on it. And you can see as we move further into the day, finally did hit my target, and it was right here, and that came in around 345 or something. So it finally did hit that target on that gold. That would have been a beautiful trade. Also would have put me way over 100% return in 13 days, but I didn't get it. Ended up taking a loss on it. And so let's show you where I am right now. Once again, there's the loss. $81. That's obviously with everything total with commissions and everything else. And so right now, day 13, I'm sitting around 300 minus this $9 loss here. But this trade is still in play as a short. And I do have some lower targets down here. So we'll see how that goes in the morning. But anyway, I am now short, and we'll see if we can hit a target. Now, I have two targets down here. Once I hit target number one, I may carry it for the additional target. Not sure we're going to do it tonight, but I will. I do have it in, and I will carry it overnight, and I do have some stops if it were to hit those levels. Or I have some, I'm sorry, I have some alerts if it hits those levels. And in the morning, we'll show you, if we don't hit it, I'll show you the two targets that I'm looking at for natural gas. So that's where we are. Small account challenge, day number 13. A little bit, what do we have here? About 301, 302, something like that. And now I'm down $9 on the natural gas. We'll just see how that goes. And we'll continue on trying to get this thing to 100% by the end of the month. So I still have another 3 days left. So we'll see how we do. All right, that's it. And we'll see everybody hopefully first thing in the morning. Remember, we start every morning. The first 30 minutes is available to everybody. You can look. If I do have trades on, I will show you those trades. And I do start every morning at 9 a.m. Eastern time. All right. And the first 30 minutes is available. And then I move over at right before the opening bell at 9:30. I do move over into Discord. Also, I had some stock trades on as well. Those did very well. But I'm just focusing right now on showing the how we're doing on the small account, okay? Because I want to show that doing my best to really try to trade a small account. A lot of people don't have big accounts, and it's a challenge. I have to tell you, it's really a challenge for me, even after trading for 40 years. Trading such a small account doesn't give me the flexibility that I'm used to. But hey, it's good. It's good practice, and it requires a lot of discipline. And we'll just see if we can't pull this thing out here within the next few days. All right, everybody, have a good day. See you tomorrow.